Right, somebody's asked me if I can repair this for them. This is a piano stool. It looks mahogany. It looks like it's had a hard life, and the seat won't lift. Normally these seats lift. And what's wrong with this? Well, can I repair it? It's a bit wobbly and it's had one or two incidents. So this is the time to walk away. Somebody's already had a go here. It's been glued. Look at the dowels in here. Cascamite in there, look. Somebody used cascamite. Doweled. The bottom's gone out of it. The hinges were there. The piece of wood that would have been across here, fixed to that, has been lost as well. Oh, look at all the excess glue. I'm not even going to try because there's so much. It would mean a new leg. I could probably do better with using the timber for something else. It was going to go in the skip. It was going to go in the skip. Can I repair it? And the answer is no. Oh, look down that corner. Oh, there's another type of glue. The seat's struggling. Oh, I think it's been on its last legs a while, and when that last leg, no pun intended, when the last leg fell off, that was time to say no. Look at the wood all split down here. Can you see that? It's a shame, but I can use some of it. I can use that. I can use that. Not that much of that. Might be able to use the legs. Let's see what we can get out of it. The two side rails off the seat, they're you can see where it's all gone wrong. Firewood. The legs will be used, so I'll save the legs and I'll save these rails. I'll just cut through these and then I'll clean these up a bit. This will get knocked apart. I'll knock this apart and that'll all become firewood. I'll keep this. I'll come back to this in a sec. And this is what it looks like stripped down. So you can see it's quite interesting actually. Look at the different glues. You just know that when there's three different glues here. There's that orange thing, there's a clear thing, there's this white cascamite type. You just know that no, it's come to its end, the end of its life. It's split down there. There's the leg that I've chopped the end off already. I think now I'm going to convert it into useful pieces of wood that I can just store away. I don't want to store it like this because it looks like firewood. The good thing about this is, first of all, there's no nails in it now, so I've got rid of all of the nails and things. The good thing is it'll be used for something, and whether it's for restoration or whether it's to make something new, it'll get used. Now the little bit of firewood is here, so there's not much. A couple of bits off the seat, the top rails, that end of the one leg, and then the bit holding the seat. I've even just cut the fabric because it's not worth the time spending getting it all out. So there's not much firewood, but there'll be a bit of mahogany. So let's convert that now. And there you go. That's what it looks like after. I could clean it up. I could take the dowels off. That'll probably be the next thing. Just take the dowels off. Make it so that it'll fit in a bit of space. Easy. Usable timber. It's the way to do it, I think. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Cheers.